So I hope now you are clear with the concept of ASCII code, ASCII values. What are those?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all the characters computers identify by using the codes that are prescribed by American Standard Code for Information Interchange, जो उन्होंने टेबल में दिया हुआ है. Okay, all right. हाँ, so yeah, those who are having some doubt वो देख लेना. Last I sent one screenshot. उसको follow that. Okay. Anthony. Right. Now, yeah, my app is working correctly. Last few 1 or 2 weeks it was not updating. I had to go back every time and refresh. Now it is refreshing. Yeah. So हमने अभी तक we have seen what are ASCII codes and how to manipulate them for converting the cases. Okay. Some programs you may try. मैं कुछ programs और लिख देता हूँ. Write a Python program to print the ASCII values of all the characters of a string entered by the user. String entered by the user. फिर सेम चीज है of the sum of all the characters, ASCII value of sum of all the characters. Same program लिखना है. Sum of all the characters of the string entered by the user. Okay. तो ये दोनों भी ट्राई करना, बहुत इजी. Next, we are going to understand what is Unicode. Okay. So Unicode means, see, जब नए computers आए थे, when the new computers arrived in the market, what do you think? Which country would have been one of the first ones to use it?
America.
America.
United States.
United States.
USA, sir.
So United States of America was one of the first countries to dive into the usage of computers and bringing it to the normal people or common man. ठीक है? And they also decided कि okay, for all the, क्योंकि America country to start with, only American people were mostly using it, and America was mostly using it for all the different type of purposes. So, and there was not much of the usage of computer in different other parts of the world. So they defined कि or whatever computer we are using, whichever brand the computer company is manufacturing, irrespective of that, they are going to follow. They laid out the standard, which is known as ASCII values, ASCII standard, which all the computers will be following, so that all the English alphabets and the letters and everything is recognized by your computer when you type in from your keyboard. ठीक है? तो उन्होंने American public के लिए, because they used English language mostly, so they designed the computers which will identify the input and which will accept the input and which will recognize all the characters of the English language and the symbols used in the English language. So the initial systems were designed in such a way so that the computers are able to accept and recognize all the alphabet characters of the English alphabet and all the symbols they use in their day-to-day life. But then, as we made progress into the digital era, all other countries also started using computers. But there was a problem. क्या problem हुआ होगा बताओ? Let's say at some point of time, India realized, you know, America is using, but that is a wonderful concept. Let's introduce it to our public as well. Then later on,
So language.
Mozambique, Zimbabwe,
Language.
language. वेरी गुड. लैंग्वेज क्यों? क्योंकि नॉट एवरीवन इज कंफर्टेबल विद इंग्लिश, और रादर एट दैट टाइम तो और भी खराब हाल था. At that time the situation was even worse. Even if you go to some remote sub-Saharan countries and वो तुम्हारा कॉन्गो, उधर मोजाम्बिक, चाड रिपब्लिक, उस तरह करके बहुत सारे कंट्रीज हैं. तो उस स्तर में तो मतलब देर इज हार्डली एनी वाटर, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड फूड. तो कंप्यूटर तो बहुत दूर की बात है. बट स्टिल slowly and slowly it penetrated, the computer and the technology penetrated to all most of the countries in the world. But then the problem was, first the people using the computers, though the benefits were immense, ठीक है, unmatchable. But then what was the problem? The computers cannot be used by all the people. First they have to be taught English language and then they had to use it, right? And why they couldn't use their native language or the local language? Because the
US
computers
manufactured.
The
computer
codes were not
manufactured
written on that language.
only recognized ASCII standards and all the languages or alphabet of English language only, and the symbols related to English language only. So slowly and slowly, even some countries, though they were capable of using English, but they are very proud of their own language, like Japanese people. They are one of the. You should be proud of your language, whatever it is. ठीक है, तो इंग्लिश है तो इंग्लिश, हिंदी है तो हिंदी, कन्नड़ा है कन्नड़ा, that's okay. There's nothing bad in that. So like Japanese people, they are very proud of their culture and the language. So though they were capable of programming in English, though they had the resources, but they also demanded, not only Japanese, all the countries, even the Chinese, even the Indians, the desired कि ठीक है, if we are using the computers, many people are very comfortable in Hindi or their local language of the state. So why not allow the computers to recognize the language, recognize the alphabets of different languages? Okay, so the demand grew stronger and stronger and with time. And finally, when the computer penetrated a significant number of countries and it reached to good population, and the demand for expansion of the computer usage grew day by day, then people all around the world sat together and they said enough is enough. We are going to do something which will take care of most of the language, if not all, of the world, and most of the symbols that are used. So then they sat together and then they decided कि like ASCII, wherein only English language are included and all the characters and the symbols and of English language are given particular code. Similarly, we will give code to all the characters of every language. Okay, then that thing was okay. People sat together and then they designed that system which took care of the coding system or the coding chart which took care of almost all the languages and is still evolving, is known as, that came to be known as Unicode. So this took care of all the languages, of all नहीं बोलेंगे, but of most of the languages. And is still evolving. What I know, I may be wrong, is somewhere around 16 to 20,000 characters are already present. और वो ऐसा नहीं होगा. Let's say if they have to include Spanish alphabets. I don't know. Anybody has any idea how many characters are there in the Spanish alphabet?
No,
It's
sir.
the same as English.
Same as English. अच्छा, मुझे नहीं पता था.
Yeah, they use Roman script, sir, if I'm not wrong.
अच्छा, they are using, okay, यही हम लोग यूज करते हैं. इसको क्या? Ankit, you'll be surprised to know.
Sir, there are
Nigeria,
30, sir, actually.
huh?
30.
13. 1-3.
Spanish.
Spanish 13. Okay. वैसे one piece of information, you will be surprised to know that Nigeria is one of the fastest growing economy and a country in African continent.
Yes, sir. Now.
Now.
Not
So then what about South Africa? I thought
South
they were-
Africa भी is okay. South Africa is also good. But जिस rate से Nigeria is progressing now, some people even say कि estimate in next 3-4 decades it will be one of the giants. Okay, so Nigeria का बहुत अच्छा progress हो रहा है.
Sir,
Okay.
there are 27 Spanish alphabets.
Let's say 27 है, मान लेते हैं. Let's say there is a language X, ठीक है, and it has got 70 characters, 70. ठीक है, कोई language है X which has got 70 characters in alphabet. If you don't know, alphabet is always singular. We don't have alphabets. One alphabet has many characters. So English has only one alphabet. Okay. Right. So 70 characters है मान लो. So what they will do is, let's say they have already fixed in that Unicode chart, they are having up to 700 characters उन्होंने define कर दिया है. So then for that language X, they will give 701 to 740. So any language they pick up, they will give code values of all the characters in sequence. ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर हिंदी is there तो हिंदी का क will be at some place 800 code value होगा and ख will be like 1500. No, if a particular language's code starts at one particular code value, then it will be in continuous till all the alphabets are exhausted. ठीक है, उस तरह करके they evolved. In the same way, they came up still evolving. So they incorporated most of the languages and symbols also. Then what might be the problem there? अब बताओ क्या problem हुआ होगा?
If the other languages
नहीं. Let's say कि your computer has the knowledge of, जैसे ASCII है उसी तरह Unicode chart का knowledge है. Then Unicode chart has the knowledge. That is very good. But then all the languages, the moment you enter any language का कोई भी combination use करोगे and you will be able to write, computer will be able to understand that pattern of the alphabets of that language. That is not a problem. जैसे ABCD understand करता है वैसे क ख ग घ भी करेगा. And whatever is your जो भी language तुम बोलते हो, all most of the languages are supported. Even Indian languages, कन्नड़ा भी मिल जाएगा तुम्हें, तेलुगु भी मिल जाएगा, ठीक है, तमिल सब मिल जाएगा. So in Unicode.
Sir, the size of the list of programs.
No, that is okay.
Input device, sir.
No, input device तो keyboard ही रहेगा.
No, sir, but
if you have to use Spanish, then maybe Spanish keyboard आएगा, ठीक है. और Spanish keyboard नहीं है तो there will be some.
no, but there had to be some common language.
No, problem जानते हो क्या आया? Americans बोले कि तब then तो my computer will go waste because all my computers have been designed to take care of English language, ASCII set of values. अब आप कोडिंग ही चेंज कर रहे हैं सबका, तो देन तो माई ऑल द कंप्यूटर्स जो कि मैं तो बिकॉज यू ऑल आर स्टार्टिंग, वो बोला अमेरिका सेड टू ऑल द वर्ल्ड, रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, कि दैट्स फाइन विथ यू बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू स्लोली introduce computers to your market, so you are starting afresh. There is no problem in you giving new computers to everyone because you are anyways going to give new computers to everyone. But our people our citizens and our departments and government organizations are using computers in like they have been using for last 3-4 years and maybe a decade, because we were advanced country and we introduced early. So now you are telling you are changing the encoding pattern and the new computers has to follow this pattern. What about the current computers that we are using? Should we throw it away? And should we train our people with how to use your new encoding pattern as per your guidelines? And then we should say कि we should also inform them कि अब 65 से A नहीं शुरू होगा, now A will start from 780. So that will be very tough task. आप तो मतलब कि it's just like I started early so I am being punished. Okay, and there is a valid demand क्योंकि उनके public को ASCII code का knowledge था, then they will again have to learn about Unicode range of alphabets and their alphabet and characters in the English alphabet and different symbols. And then maybe some architectural change has to be done in the circuitry of the computer or the softwares of the computer. So that will be a huge cost burden to US. So US raised such issues, you know, we will not allow that. Yeah, we'll not use Unicode. Then they finally came to a settlement. You know what? They said, okay, fine. We are yet to design Unicode. what we will do is, when we design Unicode, 0 to 128 will be just like ASCII. समझे? So in Unicode also, 0 to 128 is same as ASCII codes, so that American public co or organizations co or economy co, they don't have to bear the brunt of this technological advancement or the new technique being introduced. Did you understand how they solved the problem? So in a way, we can say if this is Unicode, ASCII is its subset.
So, sir, our computers have Unicode.
That depends. That depends. Mostly these days, most of the programming environments and everything else, even in Thorny, if you go maybe view में जाके encoding देखोगे, I didn't get your point, Ankit. First, let me open a Unicode chart. I'll show you. Even if you go to your Thorny and every other thing, if you go to view and then encoding, you will see that you have certain options. So Unicode is generally represented by UTF-8. Though there are other forms of Unicode also, UTF-16, 32 ऐसा भी है, but UTF-8 is most commonly used. So UTF-8 means Unicode encoding pattern of your computer while accepting or treating or processing your inputs. So that is there. अगर ASCII है तो उसे change कर सकते हो. Let me show you कि वो computers में ऐसा होता है. First I'll show you the
Probably what Ankit meant is like in there are characters which are in English language. They are also there in languages like French, Spanish. He meant like that.
Fine. They will be using that set of values only. At the rate
So-
अगर use करता है, what is wrong in that? Because
Sir,
anyways,
these are the common symbols not included.
common symbols, her language, why will they be repeated? Okay, they are not repeated. Only the
So the
missing
common
characters
symbols
of the
will be
language.
excluded, sir.
Sorry?
So the common symbols will be excluded.
Common symbols will be used only once. Why to put, there is no difference between at the rate in Hindi or at the rate in English or Spanish or French or German. क्या दिक्कत है? सब तो at the rate ही use करते हैं.
Sir, all these common come in ASCII code.
हाँ?
All these common symbols come in ASCII code.
All the common symbols, if they are mostly present, they use from the ASCII range of Unicode only. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Let me see if I have. ये तो all, I cannot show you all. ये पता नहीं.
Greek है सर वो तो शायद.
एक मिनट मैं बताता हूँ. Unicode chart. देखते हैं थोड़ा भी सबसेट दिख जाएगा तो और सम जस्ट देखो ये हर लैंग्वेज का दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर. व्हाट इज द रेंज ऑफ वैल्यूज देख रहे हो. सिंबल्स, पंक्चुएशंस, नेशनल सिस्टम्स. Okay, you will see. I can show you. Greek हो गया, Middle Eastern, Southeast Asian. I don't know where is India.
Sir, India will not be there. The languages.
Alphabetically they are going, sir.
Languages.
नहीं country wise भी दिया हुआ ना. Georgian, select, South Asian. हाँ देखो यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा तुम्हें. कनाडा का ये रेंज है. डोगरा देख रहे हो, ब्राह्मी, अलग अलग लैंग्वेज है. अहोम, आई थिंक दिस इज असमीज. बंगाली एंड असमीज यहाँ. अच्छा अहोम आई डोंट रिमेम्बर किसी का होता है. इसका रेंज देखो, बंगाली के ऊपर ले जाओगे ना तो यू विल कम टू नो दैट 090 ऐसा कुछ करके है. ठीक है, सारा लैंग्वेज है तुम्हें. ओके You will get everything there. So you can see, I just wanted to show you, कहीं दिख जाए तो I can tabular form में. ओके 0 to 127 जो बेसिक लैटिन, मतलब वो जो इंग्लिश वाले होते हैं ना, उसको लैटिन स्क्रिप्ट होता है आई थिंक. देख रहे हो 0 to वो है, सेम है. देख रहे हो 48 से यूनिकोड में भी 64 एट द रेट था. सो यू विल गेट इट. ठीक है. सो जो इंग्लिश वाला जो लैटिन यूज करते थे, लैटिन स्क्रिप्ट आई थिंक, they are maintaining the same thing. So first that was not changed. Okay. So they also added some supplementary code in Latin, these symbols. उसके बाद ही, right. तो ऐसा कर करके कुछ कुछ किए हैं वो लोग. And even देख रहे हो यहाँ पे सारा दिया हुआ है, उड़िया, तमिल, तेलुगु, थाई, म्यांमार, तिब्बतियन, all the languages are there. So even this knowledge of Unicode will also help you while inserting certain types of symbols in Microsoft Word and वो सारे चीज में भी. How? देखो तुमको मैं दिखा दूं. Unicode value for rupee symbol. How to insert? देखो rupee symbol का I will teach you in unit 2 कि what is how to convert from your decimal number system to this. ये जो 20B9 दिया हुआ है ना, this is in hexadecimal number system. Okay. अच्छा 1,43,000 है ना. So if you need to include certain symbols and which you are not getting in your keyboard, तो Microsoft Word खोलो, उसमें जाओ, and then you can see, just a minute. Microsoft Word में जाके, don't worry about this 20B9. I will teach you in unit 2 how to convert your decimal numbers to hexadecimal number system. ठीक है. So you open this Word, insert में जाओ. If you do not find any symbol, but you have to type in some text document.
Sir, what is
Because now
Unicode error?
Sorry?
Unicode error.
Wait. Go there and I think symbols में आएगा वो. More symbols. Just let me open it. ठीक है. यहां पे तुम देखोगे ना, यहां पे लिखा हुआ है यूनिकोड हेक्साडेसिमल में. ठीक है. इफ तो इसको तुम कर सकते हो 20B9. Can you see here rupee being highlighted? So if you want to display any symbol, if you know the name of the symbol, just look for the Unicode value of the symbol and then go in insert और उसके बाद देख लो वैल्यू कि उसमें कौन सा वैल्यू है 20B9. इसको अगर डेसिमल में देखना चाहते हो ना, तो इसको ASCII डेसिमल में भी देख सकते हैं. ठीक है. ASCII में तो डिफाइंड ही नहीं है वो, इसीलिए तुम्हारा ASCII रेंज में नहीं दिखेगा वो. ठीक है. बट ASCII हेक्स में भी नहीं दिखेगा वो. Only Unicode has defined it. So therefore you will see 20B9. And then you click on insert. You will see rupee symbol appearing here. Okay. So such things you can do, then you can increase the font and all. So देख रहे हो, most of the things that you come across, they are using the concept of programming. Okay. So they will so this is how your computer actually treats the inputs that you provide using the encoding that is present there. So either it can be ASCII करोगे तो only limited set of characters can be used. If you use Unicode, then तो world का कोई भी language you can use. Okay. Fine. क्या दे रहे हो अबे? अच्छा, यूनिकोड को कैसे इनकोड करते हैं ना इन प्रोग्रामिंग, अबे आई विल टेल यू सम अदर डे. ठीक है, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गिव यू द आइडिया, बट यू विल बी इन प्रोग्रामिंग मोस्टली डीलिंग विद द ASCII रेंज ऑफ वैल्यूज ऑफ द यूनिकोड ओनली. ठीक है, 10 से 128 वाला ही यूज करेंगे. ठीक है, उसको कैसे यूज करते हैं दैट इज अ डिफरेंट वे. ठीक है, I will tell you. Just I wanted to give you an idea what is Unicode. So for us, because we'll be limiting our discussion to the first 28 codes only, which is same in for ASCII and Unicode. So we'll be using them interchangeably. But yes, okay. So the base of computer applications, all the programs. Yes, Sankit. Every program, every application that you can see has been programmed in some way or the other using some language or the other. ठीक है, बिना कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग के कुछ नहीं होता है. ऑल द थिंग्स दैट यू कैन एग्जीक्यूट ऑन द कंप्यूटर बॉइल्स डाउन टू द कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग ओनली. Everything connected on network, everything that you are running on the computer, everything that you are doing has been written in some programming language or the other. ठीक है, that's of course great. क्योंकि इसलिए तो बोलते हैं the most flourishing industry these days is the software industry. And if you are a good programmer, तब तो फिर वो जो बोलते हैं ना रग्स रिचेस वाला, मतलब इट विल मेक यू अ बिलियनर सब बन सकते हो. अदर फील्ड्स में चैलेंज होगा, पर हियर इफ यू हैव अ वेरी गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड फंडामेंटल्स, हु नोस, वन डे यू विल बी गिफ्टिंग मी अ फेरारी एंड आई विल नॉट से नो. ओके, ठीक है, चलो. राइट. तो अरे ख्वाब नहीं देखोगे तो पूरे कैसे होंगे? ओके.
So is it possible to write a code in Kannada or Hindi or some other language?
Yeah, why
Like
not?
English?
Why not? But why to do that? कर सकते हो. They use all the programming languages can be used for coding. Okay, but don't go in exploring that. That will be not the worth the effort.
Okay, sir.
वो सारा भी Arpit you will take care. Arpit will take care of my taxes. Okay. Okay. अरे when I Tejas, when I told he doesn't understand alphabet and number, it only understands the pattern. कि when this type of signal comes, I draw something like this. तो वो तुम उसको A बोलते हो, वो उसको A नहीं बोलेगा, वो उसको पैटर्न की तरह याद रखता है. Okay, rupee symbol के when you give this signal, then draw something like this on the screen. It understands that way. ठीक है. What is 20B9? What are these things I'll be taking up in how to convert from decimal to hexadecimal, decimal to binary, वो सब सीखेंगे in unit 2. Okay. उसके बाद 20B9 का तुम decimal value भी बता पाओगे मुझे. Right. So this was brief about Unicode. What is the concept of Unicode? What maybe I'll show you one someday how can I print in Hindi from the program. That वो भी मैं दिखाऊंगा. Last batch को दिखाया था program, Python program से. Okay, so just I didn't do anything. मैंने बस Unicode value का range उठाया था और I printed something, my name. Anyways, we will see. मैं उसके बारे में बाद में कभी दिखाऊंगा. Let us discuss. Yeah, 20B9 is the Unicode value for rupee. See, in ASCII, the decimal number system were used for giving the range. In Unicode, a hexadecimal number system is used to give the code.
No, sir, I'm telling that small b9 is also rupee itself.
Correct. Small b, capital B doesn't make a difference. Okay. Right. So now let's put a rest to the discussion of encoding. What is this encoding scheme, that is ASCII and Unicode, how they are treated by computer to perceive the inputs and drawing a specific pattern attached to that a particular screen, which we may be calling as a particular code, sorry, which we may be calling as ABC, but computer recognizes the inputs associated with that input signaling code. They will be using those, drawing those symbols and all, and on the computer. Okay. Now we'll start with the third type of flow control statement. अच्छा ये बता दो
Unicode is that's it, sir.
हाँ
Still now. Unicode is that's it.
हाँ यूनिकोड अब मैं तुम्हें जापानीज थोड़ी पढ़ाऊंगा यूनिकोड इज जस्ट लाइक आई गिव यू द कंसेप्ट व्हाट इज यूनिकोड इट्स encoding scheme to cater to all the languages of the world, most of the languages of the world if not all, and various symbols, and it is evolving. क्यों हर दिन नया लैंग्वेज में कुछ इनपुट होता है, एडिशन होता है, तो उसको मॉडिफाई किया जाता है. ठीक है, राइट. सो we are mostly going to deal with the first 28 characters of the Unicode, which are nothing but the same as the ASCII chart only. But you understand that all other further ranges can also be used for different languages. Okay. Now coming to तेजस छोड़ दो उसको. I don't want you to explore into Unicode. बस ASCII पे काम करो. Unicode पे कैसे काम होता है I cannot show you right now because तुम्हें hexadecimal number system नहीं पता है conversion. I'll tell you. I won't keep anything for myself. Don't worry. At an appropriate time I'll tell you. Okay. Now we are going to deal with third type of flow control statement. What is it? While. देखो जितना मैं बताता हूं उतना समझो. जो आगे के बात होगा whatever will be there in the future or advanced topics, I will definitely come to it, but at a relevant time. इसीलिए आप do not explore right now. Okay. Which is the most important of 5? अच्छा Ankit, tell me, in your body you have certain parts like eyes, ears, nose, tongue. Which is most important for you?
Heart.
Okay. No, will you be able? Will you be?
All are important, sir.
All are important.
All are important. Yes.
Brain.
अब उसमें मतलब कि अगर somebody ask if you have to give one part, which part will you give? Will you say I'm ready to donate my eyes? But when you are alive, of course, after you are not there, it's up to you, organ donation and all. But till the time you are alive, will you be readily available to, you can say, see any part of your body? No, all parts are equal important. So everything will play a role somewhere or the other. Okay. So that is why.
Sir, in the IT industry, which function or which command is the most used?
Rather, you should ask which language is mostly used.
Print is most used.
Huh? It's nothing like that. Which particular command is used most? Okay. It's like which language is used most. ऐसा होता है. Command तो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. As per the requirement, if you write any single big program ना, everything of that programming language will be used. If भी use होगा, for भी use होगा. अगर let's say 2 lakh lines का code लिख रहे हो, तो everything in the programming language available will be used. Okay. So we cannot classify or something segregate on the basis of uses of particular commands. Okay, nowadays Java and Python are going very strong. Especially Python is picking up like anything.
So what can be done on Python can be done on any other language as well, right?
Yes. No, rather what can be done by other languages can also be done by Python. In addition to that, Python can do many other things which other languages are not capable of doing.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In fact, Python has
what does C and C++ do? C and C++.
Yeah, you can do, but Python has so it was something like from C we came to C++. C++ say on the basis of C++ coding, Java was evolved. Java is built on C++. On the basis of Java coding, Python was evolved. But Python can do everything which all these languages can do and many other things in addition to that. Okay. So new programming languages are also written using some other languages, right? And this programming language, Python has an integration which can use the code written in C also, C++ also, Java also as it is. ठीक है? C Python, okay,
Yes, sir,
Python ऐसे करके होता है.
earlier people used to use Java for building apps. That's right.
अभी भी
Now we
यूज
can
है,
build
not
apps
early.
with
तेजस
Python.
योर, अरे सुनो वो सब छोड़ देते हैं हिस्टोरिकल फैक्ट्स को. लेट्स कम डाउन टू डिस्कशन. या दैट इज करेक्ट. मैं भी वही बात बोल रहा था पृथ्वीराज. थैंक यू फॉर ब्रिंगिंग अस बैक टू ट्राई. Let's not go into historical facts and why so many languages. They just because all the languages have certain application limitations and applications. Some languages are good for real-time programming. Some languages are good for artificial intelligence. Like Python is good for considered very good for artificial intelligence, AI के लिए. So all languages have some pros and cons. So depending on the requirement and the type of project, that particular type of language is chosen. What is UNI language? I don't know if there is such a language. अरे सीख लेते हैं यार, Python पहले थोड़ा सा सीख लेते हैं. Let's leave it for later time. Okay, so while is also a type of loop. While is also a type of loop. That means it can also do a particular task again and again. Now, one question might be coming to you. What is the question?
Sir, if we have for loop, why we need to use
Difference
while?
between while and for.
Difference between while and for. Why another type of loop? For से काम चल ही रहा है बार बार करने का. For is sufficient to do things again and again. But then why while loop? Okay, so most question is then why another new loop, new type of loop. For should be sufficient, पर ये नया क्यों? Why do we need it? Answer is okay. For using for loop can be used only when you know the number of repetitions in advance. Okay, जैसे when I say print do this thing or print the factorial of a number or print the first 10 let's say natural numbers, तो इसमें you already know how many times the loop is to run और उतनी बार range चला देते हैं हम लोग. Okay, so in for loop when we use in such scenarios wherein we already know or in a number of repetitions or number of times the work has to be done is known beforehand. Okay, so okay. Acha, I think Tejas was asking then we can use any language. He mistyped something, UNI. Okay. Yeah, you can use any language, but that depends on what type of project work you are handling. So like I said, some programming languages are better in certain types of work. Other programming languages are better in some different types of work. So depending on the type of nature of work to be done, a project to be done, we can go for that type of language. Anyways, nowadays Java and Python can almost do anything, right? So और while loop में क्या है? Loop should be used when number of repetitions is not known beforehand. Is not known beforehand. Beforehand or for generating an infinite loop. मतलब लूप कभी ब्रेक ही नहीं होगा. That loop will go on and on forever till the time resources of your computer are available. Okay, infinite loop भी generate हो सकता है. Okay. Now, also note that.
Sir, like type means write a program to print all the natural numbers.
हाँ, write a program to keep printing the natural numbers. There is no end. ठीक है, इस रात की कोई सुबह नहीं है, वो बोलते हैं ना, उस तरह चलते चले जाओ.
Like sir, if n is equal to 1 while n is greater than 0, print n.
हाँ ठीक है, I understand कि you have the idea. Let us see. But I'll tell you one thing. It's not that the while loop will only be used for the cases when number of repetitions is not known beforehand. While loop can also do what for loop can do, but for loop cannot do what while loop can do. ठीक है, मतलब हर for का question, all the questions that can be solved with for can also be solved with while, but all the things that can be done with while is not necessarily achievable using for. ठीक है, मतलब while is capable of doing every type of looping activity, but for cannot do everything that while is capable of doing. समझे? So
Then
first I will teach you.
Why do we have for, sir?
Why do we have for? The reason is, some reason is historical, some reason is simplicity. Okay, so दो reason है. So yeah, while is sort of you can say more capable, powerful तो नहीं बोलेंगे, more capable. Yeah, Ullas is somewhat correct. पृथ्वीराज यस वो सब काम करेंगे, पर आगे आगे मत पढ़ो कहीं से, जस्ट मेरा बात फॉलो करो. या यू आर करेक्ट, बट अभी उस पे मत जाओ, डोंट जंप. ओके, या इट्स मोस्टली हिस्टोरिकल रीजंस. पहले फॉर आया. देखो, देयर आर टू रीजंस व्हाई वी नॉट यूज ओनली व्हाइल. वन इज बैकवर्ड कंपैटिबिलिटी, कि पहले से फॉर चला आ रहा था तो फॉर ही यूज हो रहा है. एंड देन सेकंड इज सिंप्लिसिटी. ओके, सो यू कैन से बिकॉज ऑफ historical reasons, that is backward compatibility, and nature and simplicity of for. Simplicity, for is still there and will always be there. Still there and will always be there. ठीक है? So एक एग्जाम्पल देते हैं. फर्स्ट वी विल बी सीइंग, आई विल राइट अ प्रोग्राम इन फॉर एंड आई विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू व्हाइल. ठीक है, क्योंकि why is it possible? I have told you in next 5 minutes I'll show you कि जो भी काम for कर सकता है ना, वो while कर सकता है. While can do all the work done by for. So of course a program written is using for loop can be converted into while loop. But whatever while can do, not necessarily for will be able to do. Right? So first I will show you a simple scenario where I'll simply be converting a for loop to while loop, and then I will show you in addition what while loop can do maybe tomorrow. Okay, so let's understand the basic. I'll tell you, पहले देख लो कैसा दिखता है वो अंकित, then you will understand why is it simple. Let's say
means for, you told it is simplicity.
Simplicity in writing the program.
Okay.
One line mate can do many things. Let us see. Let's say a program is there. Program to print all the natural numbers from Which class is next? English.
Yes, sir.
English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 to 10. So I will draw two columns. One is for loop and another will be while loop for the same program. For में कैसे लिखेंगे?
For I in range 1 to 11.
And print I.
Print I.
Print I.
While में क्या करेंगे? देखो, this is I equals to I plus 1. ये तो तुम्हें पता है. I will run this program one by one, line by line. First, what you did here, you created a line number 1 है, मान लो 2 है, 3 है, and 4 है. You created here line number 1, created a variable I with value 1. Then you are checking while till the time I happens to be less than. पहली बार check करेगा. What is the value of I in first round? In first round,
1.
I is 1
1.
and header of while loop will be checked. ठीक है? तो till the time it will check first time. Is I less than equal to 10? Is I the value 1 less than equal to 10?
Yes, sir.
If it is true, it will go inside the body of while loop. Body फिर उसका space indentation के साथ लिखा जाएगा. So when this is true, all the statements written in the block or the body of while will be executed. देखो colon यहाँ पे शुरू हो गया है. Okay. So I is 1, which is less than 10. This happens to be true. It will get inside. It will display on the screen 1. Then I will increment itself by 1 and will be saved in the same I variable. So I will become 2 after printing 1. Then again it will go back here and it will check the header. Is I still less than 10? What is the value of I? Before the beginning of round 2, when header checking is done, I is 2. Is 2 less than 10?
Yes.
Tell me.
True.
Yes, it is again true. It will go inside. It will print 2. Current value of I, which is 2. And then I will be incremented by 1 and will be overwritten. I will become 3. Okay. Then it will again go back to the header for checking. Is I still I, which is what is the value in the third round? 3. Is 3 still less than 10? Yes, it is less
Yes.
than equal to 10. Again, it will come down. It will print 3. I will be incremented to 4 and overwritten to the original place. Next time, fourth round में ऐसे ही होते होते, ठीक है? It will go on printing. At the last value, 10th round, what will happen? I will be 10.
10.
Okay.
10.
It will come down. 10 is less than equal to 10. That is correct. True. It will come inside. I will be printed. 10 will be printed. Then I will be incremented. I will become 11. Then in 11th round, it will try to execute. It will go here. Is I, which at the beginning of 11th round is 11, is 11 less than equal to 10?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Therefore, loop terminates. Okay, and it will come down again out of the body of the while loop and whatever statement follows after while. समझ में आया? Is
Yes,
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you tell me, Ankit, is 2 lines simple or writing 4 lines simple?
2 lines.
2 lines. So whenever it is possible to solve using for loop,
While
Okay.
loop If I becomes 11, what happens?
I में 11, this will become false ना. If it becomes
बाद
false,
क्या
it
होगा
won't
सर?
get
बाहर
inside, it will come out. Yes, Ilan.
After it becomes 11, it will exit the loop.
It will exit the loop, it will not go inside the body, it will come to line number 5. If there are further statements outside the body, it will execute, else the program will terminate.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
So use for solving, अगर for loop से सवाल question
No,
बन
sir, this
जाएगा,
will go from last to second last like that.
हाँ,
This is different from the other two. Means it will not terminate in the last one.
no, it will include, यहाँ पे less than equal to में include करेगा, वो range में होता है बस. This is a simple expression. Okay. Using loop, if it is possible to solve using for loop, go for loop. ठीक है. तो जब तक क्वेश्चन में पॉसिबल ट्राई करो, ऑलवेज ट्राई टू यूज फॉर लूप. इफ इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, then only go for while. My suggestion and a good programming suggestion. That means with one more line I will conclude the discussion. In the same program, can for do something like keep on generating the natural numbers starting from 1?
No, sir.
No, range में लास्ट वैल्यू क्या दोगे? इंफिनिटी का सिंबल तो नहीं दे सकते. We cannot give ending value as infinity, right? But here program to keep generating natural numbers. Now tell me, is it possible to do this using for? Huh?
No, sir.
No, because we don't know the ending value. Ending value is not specified. You have to keep on doing that. So for not possible, then we will go for while. जहां पे for का possibility 0 हो जाता है, then only you should go for while loop. That means when you don't know how many times to repeat a particular task, but looping has to be used, then only go for while loop. I will write the same program, but with a very small modification. I won't, and you will understand automatically. I won't say a word. ठीक है, मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा, तुम समझ जाओगे कि yes sir, that was simple. The same program is there. I will remove one line only. I will write this much only. What I removed is this line, I equals to I plus 1. देखो क्या होगा. I becomes 1 first line में. Line number 2 में first round of loop will start. So I is 1, which is of course less than equals to 10. So this being true, it will get inside. It will print 1. Next time, you have not changed the value of I. I is still 1. Is I less than equals to 10? Yes, answer is less than equals to 10. Okay. So I will still be 1, 2. कभी I change नहीं होता. I will forever remain 1, which will forever remain less than equals to 10. Therefore, we will keep on generating the number. Sir, can we generate numbers till infinity using computer computer will? No. At a point, computer will crash because computer registers are not able, after a certain limit, computers registers won't be able to generate numbers. Ideally, it should go till infinity, but because you are limited by the resources of the computer and the memory of the computer, you will not be able to generate that bigger number. After a certain point of time, your program will end. ये समझ में आया?
Sir, so if we use while in
Yes.
CMD in interactive mode, then we can't write another line of code, sir.
No, देखो. अरे तुम लोग का इंग्लिश भी शुरू हो जाएगा. चलो ठीक है, I will just wrap it up here.
हो गया सर ऑलरेडी.
हो गया सर, पहले शुरू कर देते हैं क्या? अच्छा 1 मिनट देख लो, उसके बाद चले जाना. I is equals to 1 while I is less than equal to 10. क्या 2 भी दे दोगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. because I is never changing from 1, so it will always be less than even 2 also. और 1 भी दे दोगे तो less than equal to 1 ही रहेगा. That will also be work.
Sir, even 1 will work.
हाँ, even 1 will work. देखो वो जनरेट करते जा रहा है, रुक ही नहीं रहा है वो.
Sir, but it will be equal to 1.
Less than equal to करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? In the same program.
So how did you stop it, sir?
How did you stop it,
Control
sir?
C. Control C.
Control C.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll do it.
Sir.
Control C used to stop any program in Python.
हाँ, break करने के लिए use होता है वो program execution.
Sir, I typed I is equal to 1 while I is
ये 2 नहीं
greater
करेगा.
than equal
Every
to
time
1.
it will print 1, not 2. Remember, this will print every time 1. ठीक है, चलो यहाँ पे stop करते हैं, आगे कल discuss करेंगे. हाँ, Kevin, you can.
Sir, I typed I is equal to 1 while I is greater than equal to 1. Print I is equal to I plus 1. So it's just infinitely going.
Infinitely 1, 2, 3, 4 करते जाएगा.
It's not stopping. So it'll infinitely.
Control C.
No, yeah, that's what I'll press. So only it'll just keep going infinitely. It won't stop, sir.
हाँ, देखो मैं दिखा देता हूँ, देखो.
What is the use of while, sir?
Greater than
Sir, what is that, sir? Built-in function.
Leave it.
So where will it be used?
बोले ना ये क्वेश्चन मत पूछो, बस learn it. Where it will be used, you will come to know when you are doing some problems. ठीक है? तो इस तरह की चीजें लिख सकते हो. Print I and then I equals to I plus 1. देखो, it is generating numbers को generate करते जाएगा infinite तक, मतलब जब तक इसके लिए possible हो. Okay? ठीक है, हमें कंप्यूटर को चैलेंज नहीं करना. I simply change this symbol. Okay, ये वाला मैंने ऐसा कर दिया. I is equals to 1 while I is greater than equal to 1. Print I equals to I plus 1.
I is equal to 1 I plus 1.
I plus 1. So यहाँ पे greater than equals to, because I already started from 1 and you are printing I and then increasing I. So I will become 1, 2, 3, 4 and it will always be greater than 1. So this loop will never stop and it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This program will print 1, 1, 1, 1 continuously. This will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 continuously. The difference is the reversal of the symbol. ठीक है? Chalo, go and join your English. We'll discuss further tomorrow on this.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
बोलो. Tell me.
Sir.
Join. जिसका clear हो गया है वो English जाके join कर लो. जिसका doubt है 1 or 2 minutes you can stay. Okay.
Sir, I typed I is equal to 1. Then while I is less than or equal to 10, print I. Then I did not give tab space. I typed I is equal to I plus 1 in that I is equal to 1 range.
Nothing will happen.
It's coming at me.
नहीं दिए हो, then it will, of course, you have come out of the body. वहां तक कभी पहुंचेगा ही नहीं loop.
Okay, it's coming errors.
Never reach. See, this is unreachable piece of code. अगर तुम ऐसे लिख रहे हो, if you are writing this way, Ankit, I equals to 1, while I is less than equals to, or maybe this way, greater than equals to 10, greater than equals to 1. I'm just explaining you. Print I, and then you don't give tab space and you write I is equals to I plus 1. You know, this loop will never end and therefore it will never come to this line. ठीक है, ये लाइन तक कभी पहुंचेगा ही नहीं. Will it reach ever? Will it first come out of this? No, because I will always be greater than equals to 1. It will keep printing 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. It won't break. It won't get a chance to come to this point line. So this is unreachable piece of code.
Okay, so that's why it will show error.
You can send me the image, what you are writing, what error you are getting. ठीक है? Or give or present it in the class tomorrow. Everybody will see. एरर नहीं देना चाहिए अनरीचेबल पीस ऑफ कोड में. यू शुड, व्हाट इज द एरर यू आर गेटिंग?
Sir, file stdin line 3.
No, you send me the image of that. I'll check. I'm not sure what you are writing there.
Syntax error invalid.
Not giving error on my end.
Huh. You send me the image. You send me the image. I'll see and will tell you.
Okay,
what is it.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I don't know what you are writing there, so I'm not in a position to tell you. रुक जाओ इलम, क्या
Sir, stop the recording.
हाँ, we'll stop the recording. Don't go into entry control and exit control. We don't have while and do while here. Aditya, you were in ICSE board.
No sir.
तब फिर वो कहाँ से देख रहे हो? वो सब मत एक्सप्लोर करो.